We are learning to write to inform. The author's purpose for informational writing is to inform. To do this, we can do it in many different ways. Here are some examples. In a news article, in a manual, which might tell you how to fix something or to make something, to give directions, to present information, to explain something, and in newspaper reports. So you can see there are lots of ways that we can write which inform our audience. Informational writing tells facts. Facts are always true. Authors write informational books to teach other people about a topic. These books are non-fiction. They teach us about facts about these topics. They give us information. Non-fiction often has special text features, a table of contents, special headings, and a glossary. So writing to inform is about giving information. We write facts.